Hey guys, what's up? I'm Jamie Cuba, and in this video I'll be trying re-scrambling. So re-scrambling is basically where you have two cubes, one scrambled and one solved. Oh wait, that's the wrong way around. One scrambled and one solved, and the goal is to solve the solved one, or scramble the solved one, into the scrambled one, if that makes any sense. Essentially, you try to match the position of the scrambled one with the solved one. It's pretty hard to explain, but I hope you get the general idea. I first got this idea a few months ago when I saw Chris Moore's video on his 23.19 from a world record. It looks pretty easy, so here I am today trying it out for the very first time. And to be honest, I think 23.19 is beatable. So yeah, here we are, and I have CS Timer open, as you can see, and we are going to generate a completely random scramble. Just like that, and yeah, let's do this. So I'm going to follow the scramble, just like so. And yeah, I've heard that you don't actually get any inspection, so let's see how this goes. The time to beat is 23.19, so yeah. Okay, so that's white and green. I am going to do beginner's method, as it's probably going to be pretty hard if I don't. Okay, that's first layer done. Whoops. And so I would definitely recommend trying this, because it is actually pretty fun. Whoops. And that looks like we have our second, oh wait. Okay, that's our second layer done, and now we have, oh god. Oh, that was going to be really hard. So we'll just start by orienting the corners. But yeah, this is really hard. Oh, and okay, I think that did it. Yeah, and now the edges. Oh shoot, I actually need to permute the corners now. So I'm doing this extremely inefficiently, as you can tell. Just did 3 U-turns. Okay, those are the corners permuted, now the edges. I keep on getting mixed up between the cubes. That one needs to be flipped. Oh, that's it. Yeah, so that was a lot harder than I was expecting. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Oh, 0.45 actually. Let's give it another go. Actually, no, Jamie Cuba, because that right there is the point in time when my camera fell off the radiator that I was balancing it on top of and died. So yeah, if you liked the video and you're not already a subscriber, then make sure to do so now so you get notified whenever I upload a new one. Thanks for watching. Bye!